Hi, Year Fives. So this is our practice supply for our reading this week. So as you can see, we've got ourselves little wordsmith Wendy here. So we're looking at our vocabulary and the language used. We're looking at prior knowledge, plausible inference, so what the words or phrases could mean, and clarifying words. So read around the word to help make sense and make some plausible inference, and think about prior knowledge of words as well. I think a lot of this might be actually some of you apply prior knowledge or reading the sentence and kind of working out what the phrase means. So, first one here, I think I've got enough room to write on this slide, actually. Let's see. Go up here. So, number one. So, find and copy the phrase meaning that people will want it. So, just find and copy. If we go to the text, we're going to have a little skim read about a word or phrase that means people will want it. And it's that there, gotta have it product. So number one is gotta have it product. That's telling you people will want it. You know, you've got to have it. It's a little phrase made up there. Number two, find and copy the phrase telling you that he spent and wasted money. Let's have a little look. He funded and nurtured. No, so funded means he spent them. He provided money, but nurtured means it went well. Incendial some technologies, the iPhone. It's all very positive on there. Some failures. So the fact because the question was spent and wasted money. Now wasted is negative, isn't it? Let's have a look here. Too disruptive and difficult. He set out to build another computer company and missed the mark, blowing through millions of dollars of investors' money. It's that, isn't it? Blowing through millions of dollars of investors' money. So, blowing through millions, sorry for my handwriting on this pad, millions of dollars of investors' money. Basically, people gave him money to go, okay, go and do this for us, and he just blew it all. It didn't work. Number three, what is meant by the phrase affordable, life-changing conveniences in the second, I should say paragraph. It's the second paragraph. In the palm, father of four review. Here we go. Who both introduced affordable, life-changing conveniences that transform the way. So what does that mean? Well, he's being compared to Thomas Edison and Henry Ford. Well, Henry Ford made the cars, you know. So affordable, life-changing conveniences. How do you answer this one? So how do you answer? How would you write the answer for this one? So what is meant by a phrase? You might want to put something like the product is cheap, easy to buy, and changes the way people live their life. It's quite a hard one to word, isn't it? Quite a hard one to word, that one, but it is. It's life-changing. But it says life-changing in there. So it's an affordable way. See, convenience means it's easy, which is the interesting one. Interesting to see what you guys have put for that one. Number four, find a phrase that would be evidence for Steve Jobs being each of these things. So I'm going to write up here. So number four. So showman. The evidence for being a showman in the text. So evidence for being, see, a showman is putting on a show, isn't it? Showmans are a good thing, so I don't really. I sometimes to create. I'll tell you what, let's go for one of the other words first. What else? We've got tyrant. You might need to know what that means. And we've got jerk as well. Well, I think the last one's easy because jerk would be taking credit for other ideas. So basically stealing people's ideas. So take credit from others. That is being a jerk, isn't it? A jerk means being an idiot, being mean. Tyrant. So a tyrant is tyrant's like being quite mean and horrible, but quite powerful with it as well. And I think there's something about the way you spoke to people. Volatile and scream at people. I'm going to put that. So tyrant. How do you spell volatile? Volatile. I should have left myself more room. Volatile and scream at people. Being a showman. Let's have a look. Where's there evidence that he's a showman? Actually do it himself. First computer. Maybe it's just the evidence of the first paragraph. The fact that he was able to introduce a world to a computer that goes on your desk. He sort of mutes. Yeah, maybe showman while he got himself into music and film. I don't know. Maybe that's not. What an interesting question. I'd be quite interested to see how you answer that one as well, for evidence as to where he's a showman. Showman's very much in front of everyone, isn't it? I mean, it does say, yeah, it does say he was a showman, but where is there any evidence for that in the text? Anyway, fantastic with that. Well done if you got those. I think there was some. I think the vocabulary itself isn't tricky, but how you answer some of these questions is. So see how you get on with that. Well done for having a go, and see you for your extending deepen.